Welcome to my $100 challenge presentation of Pure Vanilla. I did some market analysis and found out that the baking industry generates more than 30 billion in revenue each year. Mexico is the number fourth top vanilla producers in the world. I did some analysis on customers, potential customers. Number one, now obesity in US and USA is a major health issue causing many diseases. How does our product fill this need? Vanilla supports weight loss due to natural appetite suppressing qualities. Customer number two, there's an increasing number of people dealing with anxiety. How does the product fill this need? Recent studies reveal that vanilla induces calm and relieves stress. Potential customer number three, the price of pure vanilla has gone up significantly. We will sell pure vanilla at a lower price to the bakery industry. I did some variable expenses for the company, employees, social media advertisement, import fees, delivery, fixed costs such as rent, warehouse, product transportation. The reason why rent and warehouse are low because I choose to have it in one of the rooms in my house. Insights from interviews. It is very important to have at least one large customer and know their needs before you launch your business. You must be willing to fix any problems immediately to keep customers' loyalty and satisfaction. Understanding your customers' culture, values, needs is essential to your success. Steve Johnson recommended me to interview several owners in the bakery industry and find out the breaking point, pain, or need they might have with their current vendor supplier. Perhaps they might need to buy bigger size of this product or might be interested to save money by getting bigger sizes of this product. Environment and SWOT analysis. Strength. Pure vanilla has always more value than imitations. Weaknesses. There are some bad reviews on Amazon.com for the Usumacinta brand. Opportunity. Clear up any concerns people may have about a product by responding any bad reviews. Threat. High prices with vanilla tends to go up if there are not enough harvest due to climate changes. Initial versus finish. I have focused on finding customers like grocery stores that can help me to sell more product than the small customer segment. I was able to sell 6 bottles to friends and family members at $20 each with no marketing. I learned that I can both sell it on the street. I need to gain more knowledge in the importing industry and in the fees associated with it. This is the final of my presentation. Thank you so much.